Hi and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are a regular watcher. Today I'm going to be doing a simple design using some nude polish, some glitter polish, some decals from Temu and some white chrome powder over the top. So first of all, I'm just going to give my nails a coat of nude polish, and I have put 2 coats on the nails that I am going to keep nude, and start with the glitter polish on the nails that I want to have the decals. This is just a white cat eye polish. I'm just putting that on 2 nails. I'm going to be adding some bling to that later and some of the chrome powder. So that's the base of the design. For this design, I'm just going to be using some gold decals, and they will be suns, moons and stars. And unfortunately, you'll see there that I've already applied the white chrome powder. I didn't realize my camera had stopped filming, so unfortunately that part missed out, but I'm pretty sure you've all seen how chrome powder works. I literally just applied this white chrome powder that I had, rubbed it into the top coat, and I will be applying the decals now, and then I will be putting a top coat on all nails. So here is what they look like at this stage, and they look fine just like that if you didn't want to put bling on. But I'm going to attempt to put some bling on the white nails. I'm not overly good at doing bling style, but I'm practicing, and this is called Easy Nails channel, so it's, you know, I'm not like a professional nail artist who has great art skills. So I'm just like, you know, every average person that just wants to do my own nails at home. So I'm just going to throw some jewels on there and try and do something a little creative, and I'll come back to show you the finished look. This is the finished look, guys, and it's a really simple, quick design to do. I hope you like it. I think I need a little more practice with my jewel application and making that look nice, but practice makes perfect, right? So thanks for watching. Come visit me at Easy Nails by Rachel Lee on my Instagram, and see you next time.